is right there.
That's what we're looking. So when you look at the plug, our ADC21 cable, there's going to be this little tiny tab here we want to press. You can see that. Pretty simple.
Okay, so this goes inside there. I got my little pins. Oh, freaking crazy shit. Okay, smart box. Then it goes in here. No, this side goes in here. Okay, and this goes into programmer. Supposedly. Okay. So video cut off on the wrong time, but I made the key, car starts, everything is okay. Yeah, that's it. So I'll show you like this. Car starts.